Welcome to this OGP UK video for the Vici MTL1, an optical measuring system perfect for measuring cylindrical components. The MTL1 is a benchtop machine which is part of a range designed to be used on the shop floor. It can measure complex components up to 300mm in length and 60mm in diameter in just a few seconds. Parts are easy to load and unload and can be held using various different bespoke tailstocks and chocks. This high-speed, highly accurate, non-contact production gauge replaces the need for shadowgraphs, roundness testers and hand tools for external features and profiles. Parts can be programmed in just minutes and inspection routines will run in just a few seconds. It features both automatic and manual programming capability, and once inspection routines have been written, the system is simple to use. Operators simply press a single start button each time a new component is to be measured. The robust MTL1 is designed specifically to sit alongside your production machine, rather than having to be sited in an area that's temperature controlled. It's built to withstand even the toughest shop floor environments and features a unique airflow cooling system, giving it maximum stability and accuracy, making it ideal for direct use on the shop floor. The benefits of having an MTL1 on the shop floor include huge time savings and greater control over your manufacturing process. This is because parts are measured and reported in seconds, meaning more frequent in-process checks can be carried out, giving you more measurement and capability data when you need it. Parts no longer need to be taken to quality control or have to rely on the availability of an inspector for verification, making your operators more independent. As a result of that, downtime is almost eliminated and overall efficiency is massively increased. All dimensions are obtained using a live image of the part, so any dirt or debris can be filtered out and measurement is not influenced by manual intervention or operator error. With GD&T capability, including roundness, runout and concentricity, as well as in-depth nut and thread measurement, the MTL1 truly is the complete production solution for turned and ground components. Fast, accurate, easy to use, automated gauging that's on point, on demand. If you'd like more information or to arrange a demonstration, please contact OGP UK. Thank you for watching.